Palakpakan po natin ang ating cast and our creators of the Loyalty Game. Grabe, diba? Napaka-intense. First episode pa lang po yun. Again, this will officially be out on Prime Video starting July 3, 2026. The first 2 episodes will be out on Prime Video. Kung nabitin kayo guys, again, first episode pa lang yun na. So yung second episode po will be out starting July 3 on Prime Video. So to everyone, please don't forget to spread the word. And maraming salamat to everyone who came and joined us in our advanced screening dito sa Trinoma for the Loyalty Game. Ayun, diba? May mga theories na ba kayo? Ako meron na, marami na. Actually, pati si Jazz at saka si Jay Miranda, may mga ano rin sila, mga theories dyan. Okay? Mga seatmates ko. Pero ito, we would like to again congratulate the cast and the creators of the Loyalty Game. We are so excited for this milestone. Again, for Prime Video, ABS-CBN Studios, and Star Creatives, congratulations to the whole team. And maraming salamat po sa lahat ng friends, families, and of course, yung supporters natin for joining us today. Thank you guys so much. Sa lahat po ng media friends po natin, we would like to ask you guys to please stand by dito po sa Cinema 6 as we will have our media conference to be led by Mix Bustos in a little bit.
Di ba nakakaiyak? Ba't ikaw na?
Ikaw pala yung Janmine. Ay, sorry. Janmine. Ito. Dars. Dars.
I did go yung hand in hand.
Ang ganda ng character ni Carmine.
Meron ka ba? Nakakaway na mas ganun
Yes, may kabanter na ako.
May kabanter ka na.
Yes,
First, Tagalog word na pumasok sa isip ko nung matapos is kapalaman.
Wow.
Kapalamanawig. Diba? Doon mag-up next na.
Could you define that
It's
for us?
thrilling.
Yes,
It's very
thrilling.
thrilling. It's like abangan ang susunod na kabanata.
Grabe. Alam mo,
Yes.
Mix, can you believe it? First episode pa lang yun.
Uy, yun na nga eh. Marami kang mga teorya, di ba? Na mga pwedeng i-assume
Yes.
yung double life ni Ben.
At saka
Diba?
ni, the one and only beautiful, Miss Janine Gutierrez.
Oo, galing no? Parang nag-appear si Presma dun sa dulong scene. Kaya talagang very thrilling. So once again, thank you to our mga kapamilya po na join sa atin tonight. Thank you for your time. Kahit makulan, dumayo tayo sa Trinoma, nag-MX, nag-taxi, nag-PNBS, nag-MRT. But that officially concludes the screening.
Yes.
That concludes the screening for tonight. So thank you sa lahat po ng ating mga kapamilya. Please stay tuned po sa ating media, friends from the media, because we will have an exclusive kumbaga, kwentuhan press conference that will happen in a short.
Tama. Kaya we would like to remind sa mga friends from the media po natin, we would like to invite you guys to please head on over na po sa harap since you guys will be seated po sa first few rows natin. Maraming salamat po sa supporters, guest artists, friends, and family. Thank you guys so much.
We're not distrust.
Yes.
But,
Honestly,
as the plot says, parang may something sa pagpigil tiwala.
Ito naman, while our cast, while we are making our way down to, of course, start things off dito sa ating talk back, which will be happening in a few minutes. We would also like to ask all of the friends from the media na sa taas, so guys, na yung pinag-review the cast naman ng Rock Blocks or Boosted, 45 years dito sa harap. Sa lahat po ng mga friends, families, and to the supporters.
And actually, our friends from the media, there's also a chance to do a CR break. If we'll give you a few minutes, 5 to 10 minutes for a quick washroom break para po sa ating talk back.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. Okay, once again, sa lahat po ng friends from the media sa taas, please make your way down to our first few rows for our talk back meeting hall. Our artists, nandito na some of our artists here in front.
Argel. Bali pa lang. Asa yung isa? Sa baba na po tayo para makapit. Thank you. Ako na yan. Take a picture. Thank you. May note po, so sweet naman. Let's go po. Sabay na kayo, sabay na po tayo.
Papicture na lang tayo para mapicture. Okay na po. Photo na lang po. Ayun na kayo. Dito. Dito na po. 1, 2, 3. Suka po. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Salamat po.
Thank you. Salamat po. Ganda na po. Ganda na po.
Galing-galing mo naman dyan. Jen. Jen.
Okay, once again, sa lahat po ng supporters po natin, maraming salamat for taking the time to be here. But we will have to proceed with our media conference. Nandito na po yung friends from the media natin. So, we'd like to ask... Nandito na po yung friends from the media natin. Some of our artists are here as well in front.
Lost and found? May pa-mention sa ano sa...
Dapat sa pa yan sila?
Kasi.
Excuse me po. Nakiraan po. Ano si tatay? Yan guys, tatay. Siyempre magkukanap kay tatay. Oo, siyempre magpipicture ako.
Maraming salamat po.
One,